Hi, my name is Joseph Trefney, and I'm a voice actor and sound designer for TrefneyVO. Now that sounds fancy, but it's really not, because it's just me and this vocal booth. And you might be asking yourself, well, what do you do all day as a voice actor? Well, my job is to listen to other people's voices and bring them back to my booth and create characters from those voices. And when I have something that I think sounds great, I'll take it and I'll master it and I'll bring in some sound effects and I'll bring in music and I'll bring in ambience and then I'll mix everything up and I'll provide it back to you so that you have something aesthetically pleasing to listen to on the next YouTube video that you're watching. And if I've done my job correctly, you won't even notice that there's sound design there. You also might be asking yourself, well, where can I hear your voice? Where can I hear this sound design? That's a great question. You can go to my website at TrefneyVO.com and you can hear samples of my work. You can check out past projects, new projects, and you can even catch blurbs about me and you can read my blog, which admittedly is a little outdated. So if you're interested in what I'm doing or becoming a voice actor yourself or a sound designer, please follow me on my socials. You can find all of the links on my website at TrefneyVO.com. All right, thanks for coming. Come on back, all right? I'll see you guys later.